Hey, what's up, everybody? It's day 13 of 26 days. No, what? Where did I get 26 days from? It's day 13 of 23 days of juicing for hydration and inflammation. I don't know if that's God's way of telling me that I need to do 3 more days. And that is absolutely not. So again, yes, this is the 13th day for 23 days of juicing for hydration and inflammation. I'm going to be doing something a little different today, and I'm excited about this one because it's so colorful, and I like colors. Yes, I do. So let me show y'all what I got. And without further ado, we have carrots, beets, strawberries, blueberries, and a piece of ginger. Oh, and a half of a lemon. So I use 1 medium-sized beet. There's a big baby right here. You see that big old baby? I use that. I use a couple of strawberries. I use about 4 strawberries in here. I probably use more. I use 1 carrot. Now the carrot is the size of this. It's a pretty big boy. This is the size of the carrot broken down. So I used 1 whole carrot. Again, a piece of ginger. This shouldn't make my drink spicy. I think I've been using too much ginger, but you can never go wrong with a little extra ginger just because it just has that amazing property of reducing inflammation in your body. So I take that. So we got some ginger here. And we got a cup of blueberries, a full cup. My measuring cup looks like this. It's kind of small, but it's a cup of blueberries in here. So I'm really excited about this juice today. I know it's going to be tasty. I know it's going to be blueberry-ish, beet-ish, strawberry-ish, carrot-ish, lemon-ish, and ginger-ish. And I know I'm just going to love it just because of all of those delicious ingredients that's going to make my body so juicy and hydrated and so less inflamed so I can have beautiful skin, flat stomach, and that good stuff. So without further ado, I got to cut up my beet some more because it's too big. So I just want to put it in chunks that's manageable for the juicer. Even though I know my Nama J2 can handle it, it's just sometimes it's okay to make things a little easier for yourself and for the machinery that you're using. So these Nama Js are built. These Nama J2s are built for tough. They're amazing. Plus, they got like 12-year warranties. My mother's about to cook a whole meal, so all of that ticking was her cooking. So, yeah. All right, so I want to get right to it. I'm really excited about this juice, y'all. Like I said, I go and I get my vegetables daily. I get everything daily. So it's this health food store that I've been going to for a long time. I frequent there. But since I don't live in Queens, I live in Brooklyn now. I don't really like to keep going back. But if I'm in Queens, it's always good to have your place to go have a place to go wherever you go. So find your place in Brooklyn, or I gotta find a new place in Brooklyn. I got my place in Queens. And everywhere I go, I like to have my go-to spot. So I know the fruit is good, the fruit is ripe, and the fruit is waiting for me. So the health food store, they always got ripe fruit. It's sweet, it's rich, it's not old and moldy and shit. Because let me tell y'all, a lot of these food stores here in New York, they sell old, moldy food. I remember I went to the little Korean store, right? Over where I used to live at in Queens, right? And I forgot what the heck it was I was going to buy. All I know is that I look in the container and it was just like mold growing on everything. And I'm like, these people they just still selling this stuff. This don't even make no sense. Like I just didn't get it. I didn't get it. But when it comes to things like that and places like that where they don't really care much for their fruits and vegetables, or for the communities that they serve, I don't frequent them. I don't even go back, and I stand on that. I'm okay with that, and so should you. If somebody's not respecting you and what you're putting in your body, don't respect them and don't patronize them, period. All right, so again, We're gonna put soft things on the bottom, hard things on the top, which might be a little bit challenging because we gotta dig through stuff, but we got, and I know I always say it don't matter how you get it in there, just get it in there, but in our case, we have a lot of soft things, which includes the blueberries and the strawberries and the lemon. So we're gonna put everything else on the top that I took out. So I'm so excited about this juice. Super excited. If it ain't about the money. Now we're putting the hard things on top. From here. I'm excited about this juice, y'all. Like, I'm really banking on 16 ounces of juice today, as I do every day. So we got everything in our juicer. My mother's over there watching me. She's watching me shine like a star. Well, let's get it. See how much juice we can get from this. Love it, love it, love it. Those blueberries juice like a champ. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow, so we're at 8 ounces now. Just about. Oh, let's see. We're at 10 ounces. So we should be making 16 ounces of juice today because we're at 10 ounces. So let's see what happens. If it ain't about the money, I ain't got time. If it ain't about the money. So I told myself, after I do this 23 days of juicing for hydration and inflammation, I'm going to do a, oh, that's good. After I do this, I'm going to do probably a week of smoothies. I'm going to do a week of smoothies. I'm going to do probably a week of green detox smoothies. Green juice smoothies. Only for like a week though. For like 5 to 7 days. I'm going to do 1 smoothie a day. So that's my next endeavor after I complete this. I'm excited about that. All right, so we got, before I empty this, we got 16, we got above 16 ounces, so we should have just about 16 fluid ounces of juice. Let's see what comes out. Oh, it's nice and thick too. Oh my God. It came out nice and thick. Nice and thick. And blueberry-ish. Look at that. Oh man, this is amazing. So we didn't quite get 16 in the, we didn't quite get 16 in this. We got just above 15. We got 15 ounces as a matter of fact. Y'all can see that. Got 15 ounces of juice. Now, that's good enough for me. Okay. I ain't complaining. But let's taste this sucker first. I want to taste this. Ooh, I'm excited. Ooh, let's go. Oh, that's good. Oh yeah, this is another one. Oh, that's real good. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. See, now you know what's gonna make it better? Because this is delicious. But what's gonna make this even better? More strawberries. Because I can taste them. I'm about to do that right now, as a matter of fact. Woo! strawberries. You know, to add some extra strawberries to my juice. I should bring us up to 16 ounces. Not like it really matters, but I like those numbers. 16 is 2 cups of juice, so why not? So I just added I added 6 more strawberries in here, because why not? I like strawberries. And besides, berries are absolutely good for your nervous system. So if you want something for your nervous system, eat berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, berries. Just eat them. Can't go wrong. Oh my God, look at that, y'all. Oh, look at all that strawberry juice I got. That is amazing. Wow. And just those 6 strawberries yielded almost 4 ounces of juice. So let me see. I'm gonna taste this strawberry juice first. I'm excited. How does strawberry juice taste? Just like I thought it would. It's delicious. Oh my God. Ooh, it's good. All right. I had a lot of fun with this one. Now I'm still just above 15 ounces. You can see that. But, yep. That's good. That's nice. It's not too gingery, not too spicy, not too lemony. It's perfect. I love it. Y'all gotta do that one. So again, 16 ounces. So we got blueberries, strawberries, carrots, lemons, gingers. What else? And beets. Mm. 13 days, day 13 of 23 days of juicing for hydration and inflammation. Peace.